At Meds Plus Consulting Pharmacy and Wellness Center, you're not just a number. We offer individualized care for each of our patients, plus prescription delivery and medication management.
Bringing the pharmacist back to the community, Meds Plus Consulting Pharmacy and Wellness Center.
Good afternoon, everybody. Good afternoon. It is Monday at 1 o'clock, and welcome to this week's Meds Plus Medical Minutes. My name is Dr. Pauline, and unfortunately, Dr. Jennifer is out today. She is not feeling well, so will y'all please help me wish her get well soon and come back to this office and help me with this Meds Plus Medical Minute. But anyway, I'm flying solo today, and I wanted to continue what we started last week, which is reflecting over the last year and the impact that we've made, not only locally here in the Birmingham community, but also in the entire state of Alabama. We want to focus on projects from the middle of the year in this Meds Plus Medical Minute that show where we continue to make real impact. When we talk about health outcomes, it's important to understand that they're connected to more than just medicines. True, we are a full service pharmacy and we can handle all of your prescription needs, blister packs, delivery, immunizations, medication management consultations. We do all of that. But our work is also focused on education, access, workforce opportunity, as well as economic stability and being able to provide jobs, because all of this kind of dictates how healthy a community can be. So let's go through, and I'm going to show some pictures and kind of provide how I felt and what was going on during these particular events. The first one I want to show is when Dr. Jennifer and I were on V94.9 with Lady Wu and the Vital Crew. And in the back, you see Jay Haddon, Jonathan Haddon, Dr. Jennifer and I. So every third Sunday throughout the month of 2025, we were on at 7 o'clock on V94.9 talking about what's hot in health. So we talked about everything from diabetes, hypertension, heart disease. But one of the most impactful meetings that we had or sessions that we had was when we had Dr. Brian Stone, who is a urologist here in the Birmingham area. And we had Dr. Lady Wu's dad, who is a prostate cancer survivor. That episode on prostate cancer was so impactful. And even Lady Wu said that a lot of y'all continue to ask questions and continue to engage in conversation long after that session was over. So very excited about the impact that we've been able to make on the radio, and want to encourage you all in 2026, third Sunday of the month, 7 o'clock on V94.9. Listen in as Dr. Jennifer and I talk about what's hot in health for 2026. A lot of topics to discuss, so invite y'all to join in on that conversation. The next thing I want to talk about is the 2025 Success Summit at Rebirth. So we want to thank Pastor Doug Taylor, Lady Shay, Miles Taylor for the invitation to speak at the Success Summit. Jennifer and I spoke on Friday night, and we talked about just ways that improving your health can lead to success in all areas of life. So very thankful for the invitation and grateful that we've already been invited to speak at or to participate at the 2026 Success Summit. So thank you, Rebirth, for that invitation. We thoroughly enjoyed it. Here's actually a picture of us on stage with Lady Shay. And we've had other opportunities to work with Lady Shay on other projects. And so it just shows how Birmingham is so well connected. We are a community, and there's so many people that are working to help make Birmingham a better place. Also want to talk about our participation in the Capital Collective. So Emily Halpern, who is on Jennifer's left, founded the Capital Collective for mid-sized businesses to help them reach that $1 million revenue mark. And it was primarily through learning about financials, engaging with capital providers. And this particular night, you see Dr. Cree in there. Shout out to Dr. Cree with Brownstone Health. But this particular night, we had almost like a speed dating event, but instead of a handsome fellow or a beautiful young lady on the other side of the table, it was a capital provider. And so this took place in April. And even today, we are still engaging with these capital providers, finding ways to continue to grow Meds Plus so that we can have an even greater impact than we have today. So huge thank you to Emily Halpern and Tamika Tyson with the Capital Collective. They've been amazing mentors, even after we completed the program, and we're excited to see where 2026 takes us. Next, I want to talk about one of the best events I think we had all year, and it was in partnership with the City of Birmingham's Department of Innovation and Economic Opportunity, led by, at the time, Cornell Wesley, but now they're being led by Coriate Hauser. Just grateful for the opportunity to have a wellness lounge during Small Business Week. So Jennifer and I started out 2 or 3 years ago just attending Small Business Week to get immersed in the small business ecosystem in Birmingham. Fast forward 2 years, we actually have a signature event. So it was on Friday, and we were able to curate this opportunity for entrepreneurs to come in and have a wellness lounge. So they had a consultation with Dr. Jennifer or myself. Based on their responses, we wrote their prescription for wellness, whether it was listening to smooth jazz, playing games, getting a massage from Life Touch. Shout out to Lamar Story and his team at Life Touch. We had healthy food and beverages for them. And our Meds Plus team was able to offer wellness screenings where we were able to check their blood pressure, their A1C, and offer a consultation with a nurse practitioner. It was an amazing event, and it was a way for us to introduce our workplace wellness solutions to entrepreneurs in the city. So huge shout out to the City of Birmingham, the Department of IEO, the whole team, everybody. We love y'all and thank y'all so much for the opportunity for the Meds Plus Wellness Lounge during Small Business Week. We also had the opportunity to be honored and recognized by Inspire Her. This was just an incredible opportunity. One thing about doing community-based work is you do it because it's in your heart and it's your purpose. But to have other people see you and recognize you is just an incredible, incredible honor. So definitely want to thank Dr. Angela and Dr. Mark Haynes for this recognition. We are so grateful and really honored to be able to partner with you and to do this work in the community. Another part of our recognition was through Network Navigator. So if you all have not engaged with the Network Navigator, I encourage you to do so, especially if you're an entrepreneur or small business owner, or you're thinking about becoming an entrepreneur. Engage with the Network Navigator. There are tons of resources available to support entrepreneurship. And we were actually recognized as Innovative Business of the Year. I believe that was the title of our award. Nevertheless, very excited. This was our team on the day of the award, and we were just honored to be recognized. And thanks again to the Network Navigator for the recognition. We also want to thank Live Health Smart Alabama, an incredible, incredible partner. If you've not heard of Live Health Smart, they actually go around to communities in Birmingham and offer free mobile wellness, as well as the van and the mobile wellness and mobile market. I couldn't think of the mobile market, but the mobile wellness and mobile market, which visits communities. The mobile wellness van offers free health screenings. The mobile market offers fresh fruits and vegetables. It's like a grocery store on wheels, visiting those areas of the city that may be food deserts or don't have access to fresh fruit and vegetables. So we're grateful for Live Health Smart. We've been able to partner with them many, many times for a lot of initiatives, and we're always grateful to serve. And this was one of the events we had at Protective, and our team was there providing screenings. I'm sorry, Live Health Smart was providing screenings. We were doing vaccines at this event and also recruiting for some of our community events. Speaking of community events, we also want to thank the City of Birmingham and their BOLD initiative. BOLD, for the second year in a row, has allowed us to provide free diabetes education to people in the community. So not only diabetes education, but overall health information. So we've talked about things like healthy eating, getting exercise, how to take your medications, preventing complications. And so this was our cohort at the North Birmingham Library. Very excited to work with them. And the thing that is most impactful about this initiative is that their outcomes improve. So many of these people, their health outcomes improved as a result of participating in our program. Dr. Jennifer is our health educator, and she does an amazing job engaging participants to understand why they should improve their health and give them tangible tools to walk that out. She teaches them how to walk that out. So our community health workers are in this picture. You can also see Carolyn, our nurse extraordinaire, who helps us with health screenings and those type of things. So very excited about the work that we'll continue to do in the community, engaging and educating people about their health. And last but not least, we want to give a shout out to the city of Birmingham, Good Jobs Birmingham, Prosper, Women's Foundation, and Ignite for sponsoring our Meds Plus Pharmacy Pathways program. This program was a workforce initiative program where we were able to train individuals to become pharmacy technicians. So they went through an intensive 7-week training program working with Rashana Stallings, our project manager, and Brittany Jenkins of Jenkins Public Health Consulting. And through these programs, they were able to learn the skills and tools necessary to become a pharmacy technician. They received education and training that will help them prepare to sit the National Pharmacy Certification Exam. And in partnership with Jenkins Public Health Consulting, they were offered job readiness training, including reviewing their resumes, having mock interviews, and providing assistance to place them in good jobs. So we didn't just train them for the job, we actually helped place them in these jobs as well. So again, shout out to our partners who helped us accomplish this work. We could not have done what we were able to accomplish without our amazing partners. So as we continue reflecting over what we've been able to accomplish in 2025 over the next few Mondays, we'll highlight more of this work and the people and our partners who continue to make it possible. Thank you to everyone who has partnered with us, who has participated in our programming, and those of us who trust us to serve you, whether it's out in the community or here at our pharmacy. At Meds Plus, we are more than a pharmacy. We are your community health partner. So thank you so much for joining us for this week's Meds Plus Medical Minute. Come back next week to see how we finish the year strong. And we'll see you next week. We hope everybody has a very Merry Christmas, and we'll see y'all next Monday. Have a good day, everybody. Bye-bye.
At Meds Plus Consulting Pharmacy and Wellness Center, results matter. Empower your health journey with a pharmacy that puts you first. Plus, we offer prescription delivery and medication management.
Bringing the pharmacist back to the community. Meds Plus Consulting Pharmacy and Wellness Center.